I want to go to Tibet. Wait, where is it? Despite Tibet's pervasiveness and popular imagination, few people are able to locate the area on a map. What exactly is Tibet? And where is it? No, it isn't an embarrassing question. It's the first thing you need to know. Tibet is a cultural region whose physical location roughly corresponds with that of the Tibetan Plateau. Beyond the People's Republic of China, Tibetan-speaking peoples can be found across the Himalayas in Bhutan, India, Nepal, and Pakistan. Today, the bulk of Tibetan cultural areas are part of the PRC. In addition to the Tibet Autonomous Region, TAR, there are 10 Tibetan autonomous prefectures located in the provinces of Qinghai, Gansu, Sichuan, and Yunnan. Defining Tibet. Owing to the plateau's immense diversity, coming up with a compact definition of Tibetan culture is a complicated issue. The Tibetan Plateau is home to countless ethnic groups, more than 100 languages, and more than 220 Tibetan dialects. In English, the name Tibet derives from the ancient Chinese and Arabic names given to an empire founded by a powerful lineage of kings whose kingdom stretched, at its height, as far west as Pakistan and as far south as Nepal, and whose bloodline reigned uninterrupted for over 1,000 years. Many of our present-day understandings and images of Tibet date back to Tibet's imperial period, a time when the Tibetan Empire, 70th century AD, was, in fact, not the isolated kingdom of our imagination, but a dynamic, cultural melting pot. The seeds of language, writing, and religion planted during this time have continued to blossom for centuries, producing a people connected through, above all else, a unique Buddhist culture. Emerging from humble origins as local tribe leaders in Lhasa's Yarlung Valley, the Tibetan kings gradually came to conquer and control much of the geographic feature we know today as the Tibetan Plateau, the largest and highest geographical feature on the planet. In the process, they traded in skills, conquered and absorbed surrounding cultures, and adopted cultural knowledge from other powerful empires. Today, we often refer to Tibet as the geocultural area conquered during the golden age of the Tibetan Empire, yet in the final years of the 10th century, internal struggles and religious persecution brought an end to one of Eurasia's most impressive cultural kingdoms. In the years that followed, Buddhism experienced a massive revival, becoming the defining and distinguishing characteristic of Tibetan culture. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Our contact details: email info@adventuresintibet.com, sales@adventuresintibet.com. Visit our official website, www.adventuresintibet.com. Welcome to Tibet.